At 𝗵𝗄, we built a complete training ecosystem so you can learn your software the way that works best for you, starting with the basics and growing into advanced workflows.
We always begin with self-guided training. This is your introduction to the software, the getting started foundation every new user needs. These courses walk you step by step through the basics with real examples and clean workflows, so new users gain confidence and understand the essentials before moving on to more advanced training. Once the basics are covered, on-demand training gives you direct access to our applications team. These are live, private sessions tailored to your shop. You choose the time, book it through our website, and work one-on-one with an expert using your parts, your machines, and your challenges. For teams working with complex parts or advanced workflows, we offer on-site training. We go directly to your shop and build a customized training experience around your production needs, your machines, your tooling, your processes. This is the fastest way to solve bottlenecks and get your team aligned. And alongside our paid training, we publish a growing library of free resources to support your team. Monthly blog walkthroughs, skill builder recordings, tips, tutorials, and new educational content, all available on our website. This library keeps expanding, giving your programmers something new to learn every month. Altogether, you get a complete learning ecosystem: self-guided basics, live on-demand coaching, custom on-site training, and free monthly content that keeps your team improving. No matter your experience level, 𝗵𝗄 gives you the tools, guidance, and support to get more out of 𝗟𝗲, work in C, and in 𝗚𝗏. Guided, supported, and successful. That's the 𝗵𝗄 approach.